Good morning. Here's your essential pre-market briefing for Friday, March 27th, and things are looking pretty shaky.
Okay, let's dive right in. The market is starting the day with a deeply skeptical tone. It's just not buying it.
And here's the setup. Equity futures are firmly in the red, right across the board.
So why the long face? Well, even with an extended deadline to April 6th, investors aren't convinced a disruption's off the table. I mean, just look at this. It's a complete 180 in sentiment from just a few days ago. The mood has soured fast.
And this anxiety, it's really being fueled by two things pushing higher: oil and bond yields.
First up, you've got WTI crude futures soaring over 2.5% this morning.
And at the same time, the benchmark 10-year yield is also climbing, up about 5 basis points.
Now, what's really interesting is how these moves are pushing the market right up against some critical red lines.
These are the four big ones we're watching very closely today. A break here could trigger more selling.
Okay, so let's zoom out a bit. This whole uncertain environment has really reshaped the market this month.
And no big surprise here, right? The energy sector has been the only major winner, while the broader market's been hammered.
This has caused a massive shift in what people expect from the Fed. We've gone from rate cuts to maybe a hike.
And all this pressure, it's pushed the S&P 500 below its 200-day moving average. That's a big technical warning.
So the big question for today is, will we find some support here or get pushed right past that red line?